Have you ever wanted to make money online without needing advanced tech skills? Whop is quickly becoming one of the easiest ways for beginners to start earning online in 2025. Whether you're selling digital products, managing subscriptions, or even flipping access to communities, in today's full guide, I'm going to show you step by step how to earn on Whop, how to set your Whop shop, what to sell, and how to get actually paid. Let's get right into it. Now first, let's talk about what is Whop and why to use it. Whop is a platform that lets you sell digital products, community memberships, and online services easily. It has integrated payments processing, product delivery, and customer management. Why is it powerful? Because it's easy to set up, allows recurring payments or subscriptions, you don't need coding knowledge, and marketplace exposure so you can get an organic buyers if your offer is good. Examples: selling Discord community access, or selling Notion templates, bots, study resources, or flipping groups buys or SaaS tools with a clear license. Now let's talk about how to set up your Whop seller account. So, first go to whop.com and click Start Selling. Create your account using your email or Google or Discord login. You'll need to verify your email and complete seller overboarding, including linking your payout method. You can receive payments via Stripe and sometimes direct back payouts depending on your country. Important: set up your seller profile with a clear bio and profile image. This builds trust. Read Whop's term to understand what is allowed to sell and what is not. Now, let's talk about what to choose to sell on Whop. You have examples like first, digital products, so for example, Notion templates, calendars, study guides, or AI prompt stacks. You can also sell community access, like a private Discord group for trading AR or productivity, or niche communities like sneakers flip or crypto calls. You have in third, services, automated bots or scripts. You can also sell tutoring or mentorship calls. And for fourth, you have reselling access. You can partner with existing sellers or creators, managing community access for them and taking a cut. Choose something that you know or can manage consistently. Selling random low-value items lead to refunds and negative reviews. Now let's talk about creating your first product. First, you have to click on Create Product on your dashboard. Second, you have to choose your product type, for example, digital download, or membership, or service. Third, you have to fill in the title. Be clear, example, Notion Goal Tracker template. Second, the description, what the buyer gets, benefits, instructions if needed. Third, the pricing. You can do a one-time fee like $5 to $50 or subscription that is $5 to $20 per month. And for fourth, upload the files or connect integration if it's a community access, like Discord invite or Telegram bot, etc. Then, add a clean thumbnail image. You can use Canva to make one quickly. And here are 2 tips for you also. Add an FAQs to reduce refunds requests. And also be clear about what buyers receive immediately. Now it's time for marketing your Whop products. Whop's marketplace can give you organic traffic, but to actually earn consistently, you have to first use social media. Create TikToks, Reels, or Shorts showing how your product solves a problem. And second, you have to leverage Discord and Reddit. Engage in relevant communities but do not spam. Also, provide value first and share your product when appropriate. Third, content marketing. Make YouTube videos like Best Notion templates for students and link your product. Also, you can write Twitter threads showcasing your product's benefits. Fourth, paid ads, and that's optional. Once you profit, reinvest in a small portion into TikTok ads or Twitter ads to test conversions. Now let's talk about managing sales and payouts. When you get sales, Whop handles delivery automatically. Customers receive download links or invite links immediately. You can manage refunds and customer messages within Whop. Also, payouts are typically arrived in 3 to 5 business days, depending on your Stripe setup. Finally, monitor feedbacks. Good reviews boost your marketplace ranking. Now, let's talk about common mistakes beginners make, which you can easily fall into. First, overcomplicating products. Keep it simple, clean, and valuable. Second, not adding clear instructions. Always tell buyers how to use your product. Third, ignoring customer support. Respond to your buyers promptly to avoid disputes. Fourth, selling restricted items. Check Whop's guidelines to avoid bans. And finally, no marketing plan. Relying solely on Whop's traffic will limit your sales. Use TikTok and Reels. Now before we wrap it up, let's quickly talk about scaling your earnings on Whop once you get your first few sales. A lot of beginners stop after making the first $20 or $50, but Whop can be a real income stream if you first collect buyers' feedback and improve your products. Even small tweaks in your templates or your Discord community rules can reduce refunds and increase good reviews. Second, bundle your products. For example, if you're selling a Notion template, you can bundle it with a mini video guide for an extra $5 or $10, adding more value without much extra work. Third, automate customer engagement by creating a simple welcome message or onboarding Google Doc, which keeps your buyers happy and reduces questions. Fourth, and finally, build an audience off-platform. Even 200 TikTok followers or a small Discord server can give you consistent traffic to your Whop shop. If you follow these steps, you can start earning your first dollars online through Whop this week, even as a complete beginner. Remember, the key is to provide value, market consistently, and refine your products based on customer feedback. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on making money online in 2025, and comment below if you want a full video on marketing your Whop shop or finding profitable digital products ideas that you can sell easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.